right? So you cannot, हो सकता है कि राम ने सीता से बात की, is a bit not good to me. I have to embed it under the wrap it inside a subjunctive. Okay, so this seems to be something that, and here again you see that the future is like the subjunctive in that way. So the future, and you can embed a subjunctive and you can embed a future, but you can maybe put other things there, but like the point is that is a good environment for the subjunctive. It's the same case in similar. Okay, yeah, yeah. So these are the all of the one thing that the subjunctive is super restricted, and it's you cannot have it in matrix environments. That's what we have for the subjunctive. Okay, you might want to think about what is there a single category. There is no reason to assume that a language will necessarily cut up this space with one morpheme. It may be, as we've seen, right, with respect to the infinitives, Marathi has way more ways of marking the infinitive compared to Hindi, right? Hindi basically, I mean, I guess it's just that Hindi does not have that many morphological resources, right? We have like 3 morphemes. So na, basically the na has to do a lot of work, right? Other languages are richer in that domain, right? Okay, so I think that's all I have to say. I think